Hi there. Welcome to 2519 Berkeley Avenue in Silver Lake. I'm Bonnie Bryant with Compass and Bryant Reichling. I am here today to introduce you to this fabulous home. It was actually built in 2018. It's 3,000 square feet. We have 3 family bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Contemporary vibe inside and out, views of the city in the front with a deck. Then you walk in the back here and you've got fabulous swimming pool with a big deck, perfect for entertaining, just hanging out. I know you're going to love this house, so come on and take a look.